It's Friday, so I don't have my externship today. It's actually a good day to have a break from there because yesterday was pretty crazy. But luckily I was able to feel like I was helping a lot and I kind of could keep up with the busy pace yesterday, so that was cool, and they kept telling me I was doing a good job, so that's nice. I have a vet appointment for Astro. It's to check his ears because, like I was saying, I think they're infected. But he's over here sleeping because he just had a bath. Oh, or he's not sleeping. But he just had a bath, so he's looking real good. I was going to fold our clothes since neither of us have done that yet. But as soon as I sat down, Astro wanted to sit on my lap, and I always feel bad when I make him move. But it's kind of funny because I feel like he always gets comfortable in my lap when I need to do something. But if I'm chilling and I want him to cuddle with me, then he's like nowhere to be found. Astro and I just got done at the vet, and he's healthy. He weighs a lot more than I thought. Me and Marcel thought he was like 30, 35 pounds maybe, but he's actually 43 and a half pounds, which I was like, whoa, he's bigger than I thought. We just got his ears checked out. He had some bacteria in there, so we got him some medication. So I'm just gonna go get a car wash now and probably pick up some McDonald's or something because I'm pretty hungry. I haven't eaten yet and it's almost 3 o'clock. So I'm home now. I took Astro through the car wash since I was out, and I was like, oh, I might as well just do it since, I'm out of the house. And he didn't like it very much. He was pretty scared, and I felt bad. He kept just like running like from the back seat to the front seat and trying to get in my lap and everything. But he wasn't whining or anything. I think he was just kind of like, oh, look what's hitting the window. He did good at the vet. He was very easy to work with, I felt like. So that was good. I'm just eating some McDonald's right now. I know, so bad, but oh well.
We're taking a picture?
No.
Oh.
You're vlogging.
You're vlogging. I thought you want something.
I'm too full. All you can eat shrimp. Round 4. Tell them what happened at Starbucks.
So we get in line at Starbucks.
In Target.
In Target. Everything's on. Lights are on. Everything looks good.
There's a line.
There's a little line. We're like a person behind. So we get in line, right? Waiting, chilling. The girl behind the counter turns the lights off. She goes, oh, and the guy in front of us, she tells him, or tells us, oh, he's the last person in line. Like, what? We were there before you turned the lights out, so why are we excluded?
Yeah, and then even with that, like, you really couldn't make one more drink.
But as you can see, we did get some Starbucks anyway, so.
There was a nicer kiosk down the mall. It's kind of upsetting because I really like Target. Oh well, I guess it's really Starbucks, not really Target.
I think it's time for a review.
About to write one of those surveys. But isn't that so mean? I'm upset and that happened like 10 minutes ago.
I'm a messy drinker.
Turn my back for 1 second. What did you get?
A venti, toffee nut, frappuccino, and I told them no whip, but they gave me whip anyways.
But at least they helped us.
Yeah, or at least they gave me my freaking drink. Ready?
Yeah. Did you get scared?
No, she saw me before I went out there.
Oh my god.
That is a lot of freaking birds.
I don't know if we can. It's kind of creepy. Look at all these birds.
No, it's like
oh my god, how are there even that many around? They're in the trees.
they're all over the place. My car's probably got all shit all over
Holy
it.
crap, that's scary though.
Look at it.
I have goosebumps.
Look at my car, it's got shit all over it.
Oh my god. They're everywhere. Oh my gosh.
Oh my